got a setup to the downside on MES. Let's go. Let's go. A little bit of drawdown here, but no big deal. We got hot pink candles. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. I got an A+ setup to the downside. The Maverick Radar, the ultimate trading assistant, is giving me an A+ setup. So I am super confident we have a ways to go down here. And I actually think I might get into one more contract. There we go. So why are we in this trade? First things first, we got an A+ setup to the downside from the Maverick Radar. It's going through our entire checklist to serve up A setups when they develop. So red background, the bears are in control. Our Maverick indicators are doing all of this. Red background, bears are in control. Hot pink candles. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. The Maverick AI Pro colors, this is middle of the night chop, but the Maverick AI Pro colors your candles to the data underneath the hood. Look at this. If you see bright green, it might just fly right off your screen. Bright green is your strongest upside candle. Hot pink is your strongest downside candle. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. The Maverick AI Pro is coloring your candles to the data underneath the hood, and there's a tremendous amount of selling data right now. This is edge in the market, okay? Don't pay attention to this little chop over here. This is 5 a.m. Nobody's trading here, okay? Sell signal, beautiful sell signal, pushing straight down. Guys, I'm in 7 micros, 7 itty bitty micros. I'm making $1.25 per tick per contract. I'm up $145. If I traded minis, I'd be up $1,600, okay? So bears are in control, red background, hot pink candles. Look at all these down confidence arrows, just beautiful. Prices below the blue line. We like to go short when price is below this blue line and long when price is above it, okay? Long when price is above it, short when price is below it. All right. All 5 traders are voting bearish across 6 time frames. Think of T1 through T5 as traders, they're algorithms, but they all have a completely different style. They're all voting every single tick. Are they bearish or are they bullish? And all 5 traders who have a completely different style, looking for completely different things, they're all voting bearish across 6 time frames. You can set these time frames for whatever you want. So instead of having all these charts clutter up your monitor, why not have the Maverick Multi-X up here in a nice, neat little package telling you all these votes from all these different traders? Maverick trenders pegged to the top. When this line is pegged to the top, it is showing massive strength and momentum to the downside if red, okay, to the upside if it's green. I mean, just look at that. It's unbelievable. And this line is either at the top or it's at the bottom. Now, again, we got all this, 4 a.m., nobody's trading. I don't trade at 4 a.m. You're just asking for unpredictability at 4 a.m. But now it's 8 o'clock, right? People are waking up, they're trading. So the Maverick Radar here, again, beautiful sell signal from the Maverick signals to give you that heads up that it's coming. Even though it was coming up, you're like, wait, I got a sell signal. So the Maverick Radar, what's the Maverick Radar doing? The Maverick Radar is going through our entire checklist of everything we're looking for, and it's giving it a grade, okay? And you can see we're getting a little retracement, and it just downgraded your setup to a B setup. So for all of you that you're like, I'm not sure exactly when to get in and when to get out, why not? You got to look at basic price action, but why not look at the grade of your Maverick Radar? An A+ grade, I'm in. As long as I'm not hitting some major support level or resistance level, I'm in. And then when do you get out? Well, you could have gotten out on that B grade if you wanted, okay? Totally up to you. That's up to the trader. But guys, we're only in 7 micros and we're over $200. 7 micros. Making $1.25 a tick per contract. Come on now. Okay, how did I know it was going to come down? Sell signal, red background, hot pink candles. All 5 traders are voting bearish across 6 time frames, and Maverick Trender has a downtrend label and it's pegged to the top. But forget all that. The Maverick Radar is confirming all that. Okay, so visually I see it happen, and then I get the confirmation from my Maverick Radar, the ultimate trading assistant. This thing is the game changer. Okay, this is edge in the market if you ask me. Okay, so I'm gonna let this thing run down and just see how far it goes. No, I don't have my stop loss in. ES moves so slow, I'm not worried about it. I can just click this little button here. But we already took a really fun trade that I will post if I haven't already on CL this morning. Just crushed it. A handful of micros, and we did almost 500 bucks. And now look, I'm just grabbing a handful of micros because look, I'm not gonna risk an account on minis at 8 a.m. right? And I still have my A+ setup. So if you want edge in the market, if you want clear vision, if you want the ultimate trading assistant that is serving up A+ setups and telling you when that happens, points it out, gives you a big old alert up here, come check us out, all right? Not financial advice, do your own research. So many of our traders, man, I am so proud of you guys, passing evals, getting payouts, got more emails from folks yesterday, getting funded. Oh, it's so awesome using the Maverick Radar and their Maverick indicators. Couldn't be more proud of you guys. Keep on crushing it. And I'm just going to let this thing keep going because I still have hot pink candles and an A setup to the downside. So if you want edge in the market, again, never financial advice. There's no guarantees in any market. But man, we're having a lot of fun with these tools trading. Come check us out. MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com.